Hello, welcome. This is how I like to clean my kitchen sink, especially around these basket strainers. You can see how dirty this has gotten. Now, it's been a couple months since I've done this. And what I like to do is use this oxyclean. And the reason I like this is because it has that grit to it. I find it works better than a lot of other products. And I know it's not going to harm my sink. Something like using an SOS pad, you do risk scratching the actual stainless steel or the basket strainer. Now, it's nothing to be worried about if you do scratch it. However, it can be a bit of an aesthetic nuisance having giant scratches in your sink. And you can see here I've sped the camera up, and all I'm doing is just working it in. I've got a couple tough spots that I'm working at here. And just get your cloth. Don't use your dishcloth, that should go without saying. Use a cleaning cloth. And now I'll just run some water and get rid of it all. And once again, just keep rubbing it in. So you'll see here in a second, I'll be done. And look how much better that looks. And I'll show you a before and after photo here. Thanks for watching.